Alright, next we're going to demonstrate how it's going to join these two pieces together. Before joining it, we have to mark out the position of the screw joint. Alright, so basically what we're going to do is to place the wood such that they are aligned. Alright, okay, along the side against the edge like this. Alright, then you're going to mark out this. So the next thing we're going to do is to mark out the position of the screw joint. So it's going to be halfway between the thickness line. Alright, so this is the thickness, so you're going to be halfway marking somewhere in the middle. So what you must do is to use the ruler to measure. Okay, now mark 7 mm from both sides and draw a line across for joining the line. Now mark X for both.
So these 2 points are the holes you are going to drill.
Now we are going to drill the markout points for the 2 holes using the drilling machine. By placing your piece on the drilling machine work table. Next, now place the drill bit exactly on the X marking. Hold down the workpiece and lower down the safety guard. Okay, switch on the machine and lower down the handle for the drilling machine to drill the hole on the X marking to drill a true hole. After finish the first drilling of the hole, okay, you switch off the machine and continue to drill the next hole. Okay, the next thing we're going to demonstrate basically is to create the countersunk slot, okay, for the self-tapping screw with a countersunk head like this. Alright, so basically you have to create a small depression to allow the countersunk head to rest into the joint, so to make it a very smooth flat finishing. Okay, so position. Alright, position the hole slightly above the countersunk. Alright, and okay, lower down the countersunk drill bit, alright, to form a small little V shape. Okay, do this 2 or 3 times. This is how a countersunk slot looks like. Continue on drilling the remaining countersunk slots. Clamp the upper body with the edge slightly above the vise. Next, we're gonna align the lower body base. Okay, align it just below the workpiece. Next, we're gonna join the countersunk slot with the self-tapping screw. Okay, just align it after use a screwdriver to secure the screw while holding the workpiece. Okay, rotate the screwdriver in a clockwise direction such that the screw will slowly insert and be flush with the edge of the body. Okay, next continue to screw the other screw to secure the other side of the workpiece. Okay, now we just check again to see whether the screws, self-tapping screws are all flush with the workpiece. And we have finally completed the joining process of the vessel holder project.